How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to be looking at a Ruger Wrangler 22 LR. It's a six shooter. They come with, I like to say, three different models. Little snub nose. This is a 5-inch barrel. They got the snub nose, and they also have a tactical model. And the tactical model, I believe, comes with another cylinder to shoot 22 LR and 22 Magnum. Now, this gun is actually pretty fun, to shoot. It six shooter, of course. I did go out and shoot it recently, so all the bullets, they're already shot. And if you didn't know, 22 LR is a rimfire. Let's see if it can focus. Anyway, 22 rim is a rimfire, so the rim of the bullet is being hit. I ain't learned that until recently. There we go. I only had 5 in there. But this gun is, on a rating, I give it an 8 out of 10. Only because not every gun is perfect. So, there is a perfect gun, then there's going to be one gun that's perfect. Unless they start copying that gun, then every gun's going to be perfect. But right now, I do have clips of me shooting it with the 5 bullets that I have on it. If you would like to take out the cylinder, all you gotta do is pop this latch open right there, push in the side button, and pull that out. And then it pops on out, good for cleaning. Good way to clean the whole thing. And to put it back in, you just take it, make sure this side is on near the hammer, pop that back in, close that. And this part's always a little tricky to me because you gotta line it up perfectly. But you just want to line it up and slide that out. That's cool, first try. Slide that back in. And there you have it. That's the Ruger Wrangler. If you want to do the cool, roll it on your arm, you just pop that back before it clicks, and you can spin the cylinder. Now, if you want to, if you have the hammer pulled and you don't want to shoot it, just pull the hammer back down and then pull the trigger, and it resets. I give this, as I already gave the gun, an 8 out of 10. I do have a clip of me shooting it, but I might just go record another one just because it has me talking, and I don't see a point in me talking while shooting it. So I'm working on that. The tactical model, it has a rail that you can attach a red dot or, a scope for some reason. It doesn't have a rail down here for flashlights, like my G3C, which I had to make a video about that at some point. I want to say this is the base model, as it doesn't come with all the cool attachments or anything. 22 LR, regular sighting. You can get custom grips for them. I don't know where to find them though. I haven't really looked either. This is made by Wrangler. I got this brand new for $200. Yeah, about say $200. And yeah, that's the Ruger Wrangler.